Let's dive into decimal multiplication magic. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic: multiplying decimals by decimals. Don't worry, it might sound complicated, but once you understand the concept, you'll find it as easy as adding or subtracting whole numbers. Let's get started. So what does it mean when we say, multiplying decimals by decimals? In essence, it's about performing multiplication operations where both numbers involved are decimals. For example, consider the multiplication 0.5 by 0.2. Just like regular multiplication, we take one number and multiply it by the other. But because we're dealing with decimals, we also have to consider the placement of the decimal point in the final answer. Let's break this down. 0.5 is the same as half, and 0.2 is the same as a fifth. If you take half of a fifth, or multiply half by a fifth, the result is a tenth, which we write as 0.1. Let's go through another example to solidify our understanding. Let's say we want to multiply 0.3 by 0.4. First, forget about the decimal points and just multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers. So, 3 times 4 equals 12. Next, we count how many digits are after the decimal point in the original problem. In this case, there is one digit after the decimal in 0.3 and one digit after the decimal in 0.4. Adding these together, we have 2 digits. So, in our answer, we also need to have 2 digits after the decimal point. Starting from the rightmost digit of our answer, 12, we move the decimal point 2 places to the left, giving us 0.12. The key points to remember when multiplying decimals by decimals are: 1. Ignore the decimal points at first, and multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers. 2. Count the total number of digits after the decimal point in the original problem. 3. Place the decimal point in your answer so that there is the same total number of digits after it. And there you have it. You've mastered the art of multiplying decimals by decimals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these steps and soon, multiplying decimals will feel like a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video where we'll be diving into more English language learning topics. Happy studying, everyone!